Hey everyone, today I'm making 3 different biryanis at the same time. I started by dividing the chicken into 3 separate bowls. In all 3, I added ginger garlic paste and curd as the base marinade. For the classic and tikka, I added red chili powder and turmeric. Then biryani masala went into the classic and tikka masala into the tikka marinade. Salt went into all 3. Black pepper for the white biryani, garam masala for the classic, and cream for that rich white chicken marinade. Then I mixed everything well. Once everything was mixed well, I gave the tikka chicken a charcoal smoke. Then I placed the chicken in the air fryer, sprayed some oil and let it cook for about 12 minutes. Meanwhile, I started boiling water with whole spices, green chilies, salt, lemon juice and some oil. At the same time, I heated oil in 3 separate pots. Once the water was ready, I added the soaked rice to cook. In the pots, I added whole spices first. Then the chicken for classic and white biryani since tikka was already cooking. Tomatoes went into the classic and tikka. For classic and tikka, I added green chilies, mint and coriander leaves, red chilies and prunes for the white. Birista went into the classic and tikka, cashew paste for the white biryani. I added a little water in the tikka pot using the leftover masala. By now, the rice was 70% cooked, so I drained the water. The tikka was also done, so I transferred it into the pot. I added potatoes in the air fryer. Sprayed some oil and let it cook for around 7 minutes. For the white biryani, I added white pepper, black pepper, birista and some nuts. Then I added fenugreek leaves to the tikka. Milk to the white. And a little water to all 3. Mixed everything well. Now for layering, I placed a tawa under all 3 pots. I added the air fried potatoes. After that, a little birista and some fresh coriander leaves. Gently added the rice layer on top. This is my favorite part. I love to crush saffron strands in this tiny mortar and pestle. Once crushed, I soaked it in warm milk and left it for some time. I added the saffron milk to the rice. Drizzled some ghee. Topped all with more birista and fresh coriander leaves. For the white biryani, I added some nuts and raisins. Sealed the pots with foil and left it on dum. Later, I infused it with charcoal smoke. Trust me, don't miss this step. This smoke gives the biryani that irresistible restaurant-style aroma that takes it to the next level. And that's it. 3 biryanis, 3 completely different flavors. My personal favorite? The white biryani. So rich, so subtle, absolutely delicious. If you want your biryanis to look distinctly different, add red color to the tikka marinade. I hope you all try to cook these biryanis at the same time and enjoy it the way I did.